as other females remove the afterbirth and throw mud to disguise the smell. Mum encourages him to stand with the promise of milk. But before he drinks, they must move. There are lion prides here that specialize in hunting vulnerable elephants. But in an increasingly warming world, a newborn's greatest threat is dehydration. The rain never came this year. It will take the combined force of family to find water during drought, and amazing parenting skills to help him survive the journey.